Gmail's compose experience is great, but when you need to send the same email every day or even every week, you're going to want to automate it. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'll show you how to send those recurring emails in Gmail every day, every week, every month, or however often you need. We'll use Boomerang, the email productivity toolkit that's built right into your inbox. Before we dive into the setup, you'll first need to add Boomerang to your browser. Just head over to boomeranggmail.com and click Add to Gmail. It's a simple browser extension that integrates directly into your existing interface. In your Compose window, you'll now see the Boomerang toolbar at the bottom, beginning with the red Send Later button. Now go ahead and write the email you want to send on a recurring basis. You could type it directly, but I have mine written in a separate document, so I'll paste it in. You'll also need to add your recipients. Instead of a one-time schedule, we're going to look at the recurring option. Click the red Send Later button, and then select Schedule Recurring Message. This opens a dedicated menu where you can define the exact cadence you need, be it daily, weekly, or monthly, yearly, or something else. For example, if you need a meeting agenda sent every Monday morning at 8 a.m., you simply select those parameters here. You can choose a specific end date or let it run indefinitely. Once you hit schedule, the email is handled. It's stored securely and will fire off automatically at your chosen time, even if your computer is turned off. If you ever need to view the recurring messages you've scheduled, you can do so from your Manage page. Here, you can edit the message content or change the sending schedule. Boomerang's recurring email feature is the professional way to put your repetitive communication on autopilot. Check the link in the description for a free trial of Boomerang for Gmail, and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.